Hey, we're here at a car wash place right now, and we're talking about some of the hazards and dangers that are normally seen by drivers. Could you kind of share what you have seen?
What I've seen is a lot of it is pulling onto the conveyor, which to start going into the tunnel. Um, our job's to direct you onto the line to make sure that you're not damaging your rim or anything like that. So a big thing is paying attention to the person guiding you up, listening and following their directions, not trying to guide yourself on. Our conveyor has a system for once your front tire's on, it guides your back tire on to straighten you out. You gotta make sure that you put your car in neutral, you keep your hands off the wheel, your feet off the brake, foot off the gas, and make sure your wipers are off. That's a big one. We've seen a lot of damaged wipers when we're brushing the fronts to get the bugs. You just want to keep everything away from your steering wheel and your gas pedal, your brake pedal, your shifter, going down the tunnel. Not driving off this line too soon, because you'll be hopping our rollers. You won't get what you fully paid for. So that's the biggest thing, just paying attention to the workers that are around. You have a very big vehicle, and we're just little people. We don't have as much protection around us as you guys do.
Are there some vehicles that are too large that can't fit in?
In our washes, yes, we have height requirements, width requirements for tires, width requirements for just the entire vehicle. Each wash is different. We can't all fit the same vehicles. Trucks with the two wheels on the four wheels on the back, we can't fit those, but some washes can. It's just a matter of asking the right questions.
I just want to say thank you.
Not a problem. Have a